Hey, Adelle.
Hi.
What are we going to draw today?
A bunny.
Let's do this. All right, first we're going to draw an oval. It's going to look like this. Kind of like a squished oval. Very good. Next, right in the middle of the circle, we're going to make this little V shape. Beep, beep. And then on the top of the V shape, make a U. And then underneath, we're going to make a W. Just like that. Little W. Now, if you put the eyes to the side of the nose, it makes it look really cute. Mm-hmm. And if you make them big, they'll also be cute. Mm-hmm. So let's make some big circles like that. I like that. Circle from top left. If you draw another circle down on the bottom, and then color in the gaps, everything but the circles, you get yourself some nice shiny bunny eyes. Isn't that cute?
Yeah. All
right. What does our bunny need?
Ears.
That's right. Ears are fun. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Mm-hmm. I'm going to make mine come up to about right there. So, and you can make them pointy or you can make them round. And then do another one on the outside. Very cool. That's great. And then right on the other side, above, a little bit above the eye, another one. Boom. That's cute, bunny. All right, now we're going to do the bunny body.
Okay.
So starting from sort of the side of the head right here, make a shape that comes down and like that. Okay, and then this is going to be the foot right here. Now coming around, we're going to make a little toe. It's like a hook, and then right off the toe, we're going to make a C shape. It overlaps, so it's like that. Okay, and on this side, right under where the left side of the mouth is, we're going to have his belly come down, but let's put a little arm right there. And then you can make another hand sticking out right there.
I messed up.
I wouldn't say that. It looks pretty good. Now, if you add another bump, sort of like right there, you can make it look like it's got another toe.
Like that?
That's cute. And then up here by the eyes, make a couple of little bunny whiskers. That really cutens it up. And if you want, you can put eyelashes. Make it a girl bunny. Now what is our bunny missing?
A tail?
A puffy little cottontail. You can make a circle or you can make it like a cloud. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna make mine like a little cloud. What do you think?
Yeah.
You don't like the way that you did the back there? You know what though? You can make up for it when you color. You can make it a dark color.
Oh.
If you want.
Okay.
And that can even be a shadow if you color this part in. Just make that darker. Okay. The white part right there. If you want to, you can color that in. See, doesn't that look like a shadow almost?
Yeah.
All right, what is our bunny doing? He can be holding something, he can be looking at something. I want to make mine draw. So he's going to be drawing a little, just like us. So I'm going to put a little marker in his hand. Got a little marker in his hand. And then I'm going to draw a straight line out like this. And then I'm going to put a slanted line. And then I'm going to make another straight line, coming like that. And then do another one that's parallel to this one. You know what that means? It's running right alongside that one. Do you want to color?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. That is one cute bunny.